Alright, so we have two displacement vectors of 10 meters, and we want to see if we can make a resultant vector of 0 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, or 14 meters. So more than one of these is possible by orienting our two 10-meter vectors at different directions. So that means we could orient them this way if we're adding them. We could orient them that way. Any way that we can try to find these values that we're given. So we start by going for 0 meters. Well, because these two have the same magnitude, we can orient them so that we start off going 10 meters to the right, and then we turn around and go 10 meters back to the left. So a way we could write that mathematically is 10 meters plus a negative 10 meters, which gives us an overall 0 meters. Pretty easy, right? Now 20 meters. So again, if we start with our 10 meters to the right, and then we go another 10 meters to the right, that's saying 10 meters plus 10 meters, which gives us 20 meters. So this one works. 30 meters. Well, even though our hypotenuse of our triangle is always our longest side, right? We're always going to have one side that's longer than the other two. There's a theorem in math that says that any two sides have to be able to add to be greater than the third side. So this 30 meters is not possible. And we can also see that from finding our 20 meters, right? We would need a whole nother vector of 10 meters, a whole nother 10-meter displacement to get to that 30 meters, and those are in a straight line. That's as far as we can go anyway. Right, so our 14 meters we've said is possible because we can add 10 and 10 and get more than 14. So now we just have to find the angle here. So just by trial and error, I'm going to go straight to the right 10 meters and then go up 10 meters. And this would give us a starting point. So because we said we went right and then up, that's a right angle there. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to say 10 squared plus 10 squared equals, we'll call this r squared. So 10 squared is 100 plus 100 equals r squared. So we have 200 equals r squared. The square root of 200 is about 14. And that'll be in meters, which is our r. So that 14 is roughly when we have a right angle between our two vectors.